So I finally quit my 9-to-5 job because I won millions of dollars in the lottery. If you want to know how I did it, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys the story of how I quit my job and why I quit my job. But before we get started, I did not win the lottery. I did not win millions of dollars in the lottery, and if I won the lottery, I would want it to be more than 100K. But let's talk about how I did quit my job and why I did it. So at the age of 16, I got my first job. Just like everybody else, when you turn 16, you get a part-time job and you start earning money. At the time, I was only making $6.25 an hour, and I thought I was running things. I thought I was the big man making $120 every single week. But as I got older, my pay increased, my hours increased. I worked harder and longer for more money. And then I started college, spent 4 years in college, got my college degrees. So from the age of 16 until now, the age of 29, I've been working. Full-time jobs, part-time jobs, second shift, first shift, third shift, anything you can imagine, I did it. And the whole time I worked, I kept one thing in the back of my mind, and that was I did not want to retire at the age of 67. I did not want to work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life. That was something I hated doing. That was something I did not want to do. So I was determined to create other sources of income where I'll be able to quit my 9-to-5 job and retire as early as possible. That was my dream. That is what I wanted to do. So I had to think of ways in order to create passive income for myself that will be able to sustain me where I will not have to work a 9-to-5 job. You do know what job stands for. Just over broke. And that is what it felt like working a 9-to-5 job. Don't get me wrong, you do get a paycheck, but that paycheck is just enough to get you by. From 1 week to the next, from 1 month to the next, from 1 year to the next. It will never be enough money for you to retire on or for you to live the life that you always wanted. So a 9-to-5 job will pretty much keep you on the same level for the rest of your life, living check to check, and you will never have enough money to live the life that you always wanted. Don't get me wrong, there are jobs where you are able to grow and make more money, even millions and millions of dollars. But a lot of times you have to put years and years of hard work into your job, into your craft, and then slowly rise in the company. And by the time you get on top, you're either too old to work or it is time for you to retire. So you are constantly chasing, you are constantly in the rat race where you will end up in the same spot, retired at a very, very old age. So I decided I did not want this future for myself, and 5 years ago, I started implementing a plan that I had created for myself in order to retire before I turned 30. A lot of people thought I was crazy. A lot of people did not believe in me, but I kept going, kept working hard, kept investing my money, and now at the age of 29, I was able to quit my job forever. I will not be working another 9-to-5 job in my life, and it feels absolutely amazing. So what investments did I make in order to quit my job at the age of 29? First off, the biggest investment I have made is investing in myself. A lot of people go to a 9-to-5 job, they put in their 9 hours, and then when they get home, they do not invest any of the time into themselves. Me personally, I will go to work, and as soon as I get off at midnight, I will stay up till 2, 3, 4 o'clock making YouTube videos, investing money, pretty much working for myself in order to create the life that I always wanted. But investing in real estate was the best decision I have ever made. If it wasn't for my rental properties, I would not be sitting right here in front of this camera making this video right now. Real estate was what made me retire early. Having real estate investments, rental properties, and best of all, receiving monthly passive income is something that I absolutely love. And if it wasn't for real estate, none of this would be possible. So 5 years ago, I started investing in real estate, bought some rental properties, and right now they are doing absolutely amazing. That is one of my biggest income streams right now. I also have other streams of income such as stocks, also YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, and a couple of other ones, but those are the major ones. Having multiple streams of income, it is critical if you want to retire early. Also guys, drop a comment below. Let me know if you want me to create another video where I break down all of my streams of income. This way you'll be able to see how many streams of income I have and how much money I am earning from each one. So if you want that video, let me know in the comment section below. So as a refugee coming to America with no money, I didn't even speak English whatsoever, and I had to start from zero. And now at the age of 29, I am successful, I'm retired, I do not have a 9-to-5 job, and it feels absolutely amazing. This is the American dream that I was dreaming about when I was younger, and now it is finally fulfilled. All the hard work has paid off, and it feels absolutely amazing. I have seen a ton of successful people share their stories of how they started from nothing and then made millions of dollars in their small business or in real estate or on YouTube. And one of the things that a lot of successful people preach is to do things that you absolutely love. If you can make money doing things that you love, then you will not be working. You're going to be living the life that you always wanted. Me personally, I love real estate investing. If you ask any of my friends, as soon as they mention real estate, oh my God, I cannot stop talking about it. I absolutely love real estate. So what am I going to do right now? Well, I always wanted to be a YouTuber. I always wanted to create videos and content to help out as many people as possible. And now that I have quit my 9-to-5 job, that I have real estate investments and multiple streams of income to support my lifestyle, now I can finally pursue my dream of becoming a YouTuber. And I absolutely enjoy doing this, and I think this is just the start. This YouTube channel will grow tremendously and it will become very, very successful. So if you want to follow my journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to smash the like button. So as another chapter of my life closes, another one is open. And I think this one is going to be the best one yet. So I decided to create this video as a reminder to myself that anything is possible. If a refugee from Bosnia can come to America with no money and without speaking a word of English and become successful, invest in real estate, create multiple streams of income, if I can do it, anybody can do it. That is why I'm creating this video to motivate other people that want to retire early. And if you want to know exactly how I retired at the age of 29, stay tuned. I'll be making a lot more videos, a lot more content explaining how I was able to retire at the age of 29. So that concludes this video. I just wanted to share this awesome news with my fellow subscribers, and I absolutely appreciate y'all for subscribing and supporting me on this channel and on this new journey. And if you have any questions about my income streams or my top investments or anything related to retiring early, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below and let me know what age you want to retire in. And as always, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.